We fished hard all day, spinning in high water, and I had lost a large salmon while spinning, but the moment that the water receded, I was only too happy to go fly fishing. The water level showing at the moment is just under half load, which is the best water level for catching salmon on the fly. I fished down the beat with my 6-weight trout fly rod, using a floating line and a Rio 6-foot brown sink tip, and also a park shrimp small salmon fly. The fish took very aggressively and started jumping and cartwheeling the moment it was hooked. I knew it was a large fish because it took so much line in its first run. Normally where I was standing would be a gravel bar, but it being just under half load, the gravel bar was under a foot of water, so I had nowhere to beach the fish. Luckily I was using my trout rod, which made it easier just to tail the fish. The fish became extremely violent, so I had to put the camera away while tailing it. This is probably the best run we've had in the last 5 years, especially for big salmon.